Here we go again. In today's video, we have the Trendmood box. This is volume 31, and this puppy is heavy. If you want to see what I got, here are my thoughts and opinions. And is this puppy worth the money? There goes Aura as soon as I start talking. Keep on watching. Today's co-host, we have two co-hosts. We have Miss Aura, which she went and grabbed the bone before Akira grabbed the bone. And then we have Miss Akira, who demolished Nala's toy. If Nala is my blue-nosed pit bull, she will be 10 years old in September 12th to be exact. And she used to always be up here. If you go back to my earlier videos, like a couple years ago, that was the only dog. She was always laying in my bed. She has a bad shoulder, and I tell you guys all the time, I film on the 3rd floor. So, you know, going up, I try not to get her up and down the steps too often. Anyway, let me show you this toy. Nala had this since she was a puppy, okay? I watched it one time. Oh my God, Nala, she didn't even come near her for like literally 2 weeks. That's the truth. Well, I was dyeing my hair and I forgot this toy was on the floor. And that's all I did. I just washed it out, came right back up, and she had already demolished the toy. She tore the leg and somehow she got all the stuffing out. All of it, even the like squeaky things is out. I don't even know how because there's no hole in here. However she did it, except for the head. So it's lifeless. But Nala still lays with it though. She ain't never letting this thing go.
This is what you're doing. This is what I want you to do. Any questions?
All right. Anyway, I got this yesterday on Saturday. Today is Sunday when I'm filming. And I cannot believe I waited this long to see what is in my box. All right, let's open her up. I am so excited about this box. All right, so when you open her up, it looks like this. Here's a little sneak peek. Not too much, you know, I like to tease just a little bit. All right, I don't even know what to pick first, so let's just go ahead. The first thing, I think this is what made it heavy. This is from Hemp's. This is a Stardust Body Moisturator. Oh, what? Try that again. This is from Hemp's. It's a Stardust Body Moisturizer. It's passion fruit and wild orchid. I have it's like 101 out, so I have the AC on. I have the microphone closer to me. Let me know if that made a difference, because in my other videos, when I was editing, I noticed certain words were going in and out, and I don't know if it's because the microphone wasn't close enough, so let me know if it's too loud or what have you. All right, but let's see what it smells like. Let's see. Oh, that smells good. So it's, you know, purple. Okay, that smells good. It's not too strong. So if you have like a sensitivity to like scents and stuff, this is okay. I like it. It says it has 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. All right, so the next thing we got is an SPF of 30, and I do like the sprays. I like that. It's from the brand Vacation. Can always use an SPF. Okay, so this is what I was excited for. All right, so this is a hair and body mist, and they had 3 different scents. You could have got vanilla, which I was hoping not to get vanilla, passion fruit, and dragon fruit, I think. So please not be vanilla. Which one did I get? Where? Oh, I got the dragon. Wait a minute, is it dragon fruit? Let me make sure. Yeah, dragon fruit. Okay, yeah, I'm so excited. And I was hoping, I was like, watch me get vanilla. All right, so let's see. I got this for my hair, so I hope I like it. Oh, let me go over here because I have the arrow. It's not bad. It kind of smells a little bit of hairspray, but also a little like fruity. I knew it. Or every time I spray something. Here we go again. My AC goes off always around 2:30 because that's when it gets the hottest. Let me see. Look, It is 2:27. Isn't that weird? It's always around 2:30. All right, let me just unplug my AC and we'll just move really quickly so I can keep the lights on. Okay, so I have the air off, and let me push the microphone back a little bit now, because then you'll be hearing every little like sound like this and stuff. Okay, so we have that. All right, so this is not too bad. I don't know, for some reason I was thinking it would be more fruity, but it's not bad. Like, I'll use it. It's just, you know, when you're expecting something, but it's not what that is. I don't know. All right, what else we got? What we got? Ooh, I think this, oh, this is the mascara I wanted to have, to try. I'm all excited. Let me calm down.
Hey, my husband. Calm down. We all have I don't need Xanax.
This is the mascara I wanted to try. It's from Lash Sense. It's a volume, what does it say? Volume Intense Mascara. And I'm going to try this on my bottom lashes. I just have a little bit on top, so we'll try it on the bottom and see how that goes. All right, the next thing is an eye lighter, which it's like an eye lighter. Just that it lightens like your eyes and stuff. Does it say the shade? It just says brightening serum. Wait, maybe this is something different I'm thinking of. Ooh, look, it has a little tool. Look at that. So I don't have any face makeup on. You know, I have like lipstick, my little mascara, eyebrow pencil, which my eyebrows are a little dark because I dyed my eyebrows. When will I learn? And you know, I dye my hair black. Okay, so I've been scrubbing it like crazy. All right, let me get my mirror and let's try this one now. I was going to wait to the end of the video, but I'm excited to try. All right, how does it work? Oh, I guess you just push it down. Let me see. Is that what you do? Yes. So I would do this. Okay, and then I guess you would use the tool. Is that what you would do? Because it's cold and it's metal. And that's supposed to help depuff your eyes, the tool. But the concentrate itself is supposed to be an eye brightener. I don't know. Let me just take my hand. Because I don't want this video to be too long because the dogs are up here and it's going to start getting hot soon. Alright, I can see a little bit that it brightened it up just a little bit, but not too much. But this is going to be perfect if you do have puffy eyes because it's nice and cold. It feels really, really good. Okay, so the next thing we have is from Vacation Studio One. This is the 3-in-1 Bronzing Drops for Face, SPF 50. Okay. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so let's put it on my hand. We're going to try all this on as well, but I'll wait to the end of the video. I was excited about that eye brightener, though, so let's see. Oh, so it comes right off. I wonder, I guess, is this for your whole face? So you're supposed to shake it good. It has that little ball in there. Do you hear it? ASMR. All right, directions. Shake well. Apply literally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply at least every 2 hours. Use a water-resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating. Well, most people I know sweat when they go outside. Okay, so this is for all over your face. It's an SPF, but it's supposed to give you like a little bronzing, you know, so. I thought maybe it was like makeup, but I mean, it is kind of. But it's more like skincare, you know. Oh, Biro. This is an expensive brand. It's a mango yogurt balancing mist. I'm going to look up the price. Let's see, I know. Look how beautiful that is. It reminds me of a mango. I love me some fruit. Okay, let's see. Why can't I smell anything? What is wrong? It doesn't, I don't smell anything. Can you see? I don't smell anything. All right, it just says spray 2 to 3 times from 6 inches away. Can be used throughout the day. All right, so this is for like your body, you know, but I don't smell any scent, which is fine. I just wish it smelled, it said mango yogurt. Okay. All right, this I'm excited for. I hope I get the scent watermelon or shade watermelon. So this is from Naked Sunday at Naked Sundays, and I'm filming on Sunday. It's a glow lip oil with SPF 50, which I'm glad, because you ever like go out in the sun and your lips get sunburned? Yes. And I got watermelon. Oh, I'm so excited. Look, look, look. Oh, and it's the applicator that I like. Oh my God. It would not be a Just Ann video if I didn't drop stuff. But this is what I like. It's the one that goes straight and it's bendable. All right, so it's just clear with a little bit of pink. Do you see that? Very light pink. And it smells like watermelon. Now I want watermelon. Okay, so we have that. And then last but not least, we have from Bondi Boost. This is a miracle hair mask. And I was excited to get this as well because I've shared before, you know, I suffer from a type of alopecia. So I have very, very thinning hair. I have, these are hair pieces. I use my Topic, which is hair fibers. And so that's why you can't see my scalp, but you can see I have a receding hairline, all of that. And I was using box dye, and it was my hair was so damaged anyway, like it was just breaking off. And so now I use, it's men's like beard and mustache dye, and I'll tell you what, it has been doing my hair's wonders. I've been using hair mask, everything. Like my hair is getting so healthy. It's the curls are coming back, so I'm very excited to try this. So it comes with a safety seal.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
And it's filled up. Oh, that smells good too. It doesn't have a strong scent, but it smells so good. Let me feel it. Let me just see. Oh yeah, that feels nice. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see what this says, the directions. It says use once a week in place of conditioner. Remove excess water from hair. Massage a small amount from mid, short to ends. Leave on for 15 minutes. Okay. It is so hot that, look, I don't even know if you can see. My glasses are fogging up. Look, can you see? I don't know what you can see until I'm editing. But they're literally fogging up. That's how hot it's getting in here. So I'm just going to hurry up because, again, I have the dogs. And I do want to try that mascara on the bottom lashes real quick. So let's recap everything that we received. I got the one I wanted, the watermelon lip oil. We got the eye brightener, which I'm excited to get. We got the Biro. Oh, let me look up that price real quick. This is $42 right here. Okay, we have the vacation like SPF, but you know, you put it on your face, it gives you a little glow, like bronzy glow. We have the hair mask. I got the hair and body mist, but I'm going to use it like as a hair perfume. We got the hemp stardust lotion. This is what put the weight on, which I'm very excited for that. And then, okay, I want to see, make sure nothing else fell. Then I got the mascara. So let me put this aside, and I just want to try the mascara on the bottom lash really quickly. All right, I had to put the air on really quickly. Hopefully it doesn't blow again, just because of the dogs. Okay, so that's what the wand looks like. Preferably for the bottom, I like it a little bit smaller. That's why I love the Thrive Cosmetics mascara for my bottom lash, but let's see. Ooh, I like this. I like this mascara. Now, I'm getting ready to do like a little table talk. If you don't know, I have a vlog channel called Just Anne's World. So we'll see how that is with because you guys know a lot of times my mascara, because my eyes water, I always, it transfers down. So we'll test that out. I'm going to film it right after this video. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Did you get the Trendmood box? Did you not? Do you ever get the Trendmood boxes? And if you did, what did you think of this box? And also for the hair mist, which one did you get? Did you get the vanilla, the passion fruit, or the dragon fruit? And what shade lip oil did you get? You know I'm nosy. Make sure you leave a comment. Even if it's just an emoji, it would mean the absolute world to me. Thumbs up the video, all of that. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye. You feel better now? Is it getting cooler in here? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. What is... Look at this. Bye.